Hi, Merry Christmas. Today we're going to read Maisie's Snowy Christmas Eve by Lucy Cousins. It's a super cute story. And while we read, I'm going to model language on the accent using the Unity 84 sequence software. Maisie's Snowy Christmas Eve. It was Christmas Eve, and snow fell on Maisie's house. Snow fell on her house.
Snow fell on her house.
Snow fell on her house. Snow fell on Charlie's house. Snow fell on Cyril's house. Snow fell on Tallulah's house. And snow fell on Eddie. He was on his way to see Maisie, but snow fell on him. Snow was falling on him. Everyone was invited to Maisie's house for Christmas. Cyril went on snowshoes. That means he walked. So he got there slowly.
He got there slowly. He got there slowly. He got there slowly.
Charlie and Tallulah went by sled, and they got there quickly.
They got there quickly. They got there quickly.
Eddie went by foot. That means he walked too. And got stuck in the snow. Uh-oh. He got stuck.
He got stuck.
He got stuck. That can't be good, especially in that cold, cold snow. At Maisie's house, the snow fell thick and fast, and it was cold. The friends hurried inside to get warm by the fire. The friends felt cold, and they wanted to get warm.
Get warm.
Tallulah and Cyril hung stockings. But where was Eddie?
Where was he?
Where was he? Maisie and Charlie made mince pies and paper chains. But where was Eddie?
Where was he? Where was he?
Where was he? Everyone helped decorate the tree. Everyone helped. But where was Eddie?
Where was he? Where was he?
They all went out to look for him. They went to look.
They went to look.
They went to look and see if they could find Eddie. They found a shed covered in snow. It was
covered in snow. Covered in snow.
Covered in snow. They found a bush covered in snow. They even found snow covered in snow. Everything was
covered in snow. Covered in snow.
Everything was covered in snow. And finally, they found Eddie covered in snow. He was
covered in snow. Covered in snow.
Poor Eddie, he was stuck. He was stuck.
Stuck.
He was stuck, covered in snow and stuck. 1, 2, 3, pull! 1, 2, 3, push! Oh dear, Eddie was still stuck.
He was still stuck. He was still stuck.
Then Maisie got an idea. She got the tractor. 1, 2, 3, pop! At last, Eddie was free. He wasn't stuck anymore.
He wasn't stuck anymore. He wasn't stuck anymore.
He wasn't stuck anymore. Sure, he was glad about that. That night, everyone gathered around the tree to sing Christmas carols. Everyone sang.
Everyone sang.
And Eddie sang the loudest of all. Such a cute story. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.